2007 Ford F-150 Lariat, 92,000 miles, in wonderful condition. Running boards, sprayed in bed liner, premium alloy wheels, factory, super sharp truck, toolbox. As you can see, very clean. Rear parking sensors, tow package, sliding window. Navigation, backup camera, hands-free. Tires are in good condition. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Definitely not used as a work truck. Leather seats are in remarkable condition. Wood grained interior, power seat. Aftermarket radio. Sorry about that, trying to get the mileage. 92,414 miles. Navigation, backup camera. Leather is flawless. WeatherTech mats. (2007) Ford F-150 Lariat, two-wheel drive with 92,000 miles in amazing condition.